Okay, I'm in the world of Barbies. Oh yeah. Watch out. Proud daddy coming through. Got 3 or 4 days to find a rare or a hard to get Barbie Dreamhouse.
Yeah, I don't think they have it in stock. Maybe Walmart has it. Yeah, but it doesn't.
Where are we gonna put that? We don't have any room for that.
Yeah.
We got to get rid of the kitchen. The playroom up front. That one's maxed out too, boo.
Hey, they have it in stock at Walmart. Go pick it up.
Okay, so I'm going to pick up a Barbie Dreamhouse.
You tell me which one to go and I'll tell you which aisle it's on.
Are you serious? You can tell what aisle it's on?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go buy this Barbie Dreamhouse. You guys wanna come with me? Let's go. Lilah's birthday is in a couple of days and we've gotten all the other stuff, but her big she wanted was a Barbie Dreamhouse. So don't wanna kill the dream in my house. Here we go. Oh, wrong Walmart. We got 2 Walmarts here. We're a big city. Almost went to the wrong one. Oh, it's my brother. It's my brother, the UPS driver. What's up?
What up?
How many drop-offs you got left?
32.
Just 32. It ain't nothing but a thing, baby. I love you, brother. 7:24 p.m. and my little brother's got 32 more drops, and they're probably all wrapped in Amazon boxes, I would guess. Isn't that crazy, y'all? My little brother drops off my daily supplies, or should I say my wife's daily orders? Nah, I've been ordering a lot lately for my little GoPros. It's a sickness. Comment down below if you're addicted to buying little accessories for your GoPro. I mean, different gizmos and gadgets and who's it's and what's it galore. Oh, I know y'all heard that. I know y'all heard that. As soon as I said it, boy, I was like, here it comes. The Little Mermaid's coming out. So I'm gonna edit that out, y'all. It's been a long day. And you come home and you got an emergency run for a Barbie Dreamhouse. But you know what? That's how it is being a dad. That's how it is. And that spells family. All day, baby. Barbie Dreamhouse is here and I need it now, so I'm here. And so is everyone else. This is the day that I guess everyone's stimulus or something hit. Woo! I mean, a fine park. Okay, there's some parking right there. Let me be positive. All right, I'm gonna park and we're gonna get this Dreamhouse quickly. Call Mama Spells. I can't find this thing.
Barbie Drive one?
Yeah. Dude, what have they done with the toy?
Oh, it came to aisle 15, but they moved everything around.
Yeah. What are they preparing for? All the toys are in the garden section now. Alright, I'm going to the Barbies. I'll call you back. Okay, I see Barbies. Okay, I'm in the world of Barbies. Okay, I see a Malibu house. You want? Huh?
Let me see it. What else I got? We'll get that and then ask somebody, please.
Okay, alright. It might take me a while to find somebody.
Okay, call me back.
Okay, love you. Alright, just get this. It's not the dream house though. We found the Barbie dream house, the one I was supposed to get. Oh yeah, this is the one I was supposed to get. There it is. The full setup. Here we go, dad of the year right here. Oh, you even comes with a Netflix channel. That's what's up. We put that baby house back, went ahead and upgraded to the mansion. I got it, baby, let's go. Lilah's birthday, saving her birthday. Oh yeah. Watch out. Proud daddy coming through. Hey, how's it going? Hey, how you doing? Here, y'all, got that Barbie Dreamhouse. Daddy of the year coming through. Yes, sir, daddy of the year. Mama Spells saved the day. She's the one that found it. I just came and did the hard work. All right, guys, it's Lilah's birthday today. No, actually, that's tomorrow. It's her birthday party today. Got the Barbie Dreamhouse, and Mama Spells is in there wrapping it. And then we're gonna get ready and go to her party.
I am so excited. She is gonna love putting this thing together.
underneath. There you go. Oops.
Watch my turn.
Let me see.
Ooh.
My name is Rainbow Girl because I have a rainbow dress. We're going to my birthday party. I'm Jumpin Jack.
All right, guys, we got the Barbie Dreamhouse wrapped up and ready to go.
She's excited, Daddy.
We're heading to Jumpin Jack.
See your cake yet? Huh? You didn't see it yet? Oh. We're here.
Yeah! Is that it?
Off of it, right?
Look at that cake.
I don't like it. I don't think so. Look, Lilah. That's her name.
Yeah! Come on!
Oh, Mom.
Come on!
Come on. It looks so pretty. Let me see.
We do.
Mommy, we gotta take our shoes off.
Yeah, you want to take your shoes off and put some socks on?
There's the Barbie Dreamhouse.
Happy birthday, man. Oh, and your name! You got me kidding me!
All right, Mom, how was it? Was it a success? All right.
I think that it went well, if you're asking me.
The fact that every kid gravitated to that dream house, like it was
so cute.
It was like a magnet. They were like, like.
Okay, so what's going on? I was gonna spin the birthday wheel. Come on.
Can I get a hug?
There's an elevator, there's a closet and hangers, there's a TV and a little and a bed. Lilah, I love my dream house.
All right, well that was the Barbie Dreamhouse adventure and Lilah's birthday party. We really hope you enjoyed the video. We had a blast making it. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Until next time, we appreciate you watching That's Belle's Family.